Will the nominated housemates please stand? The envelope is here. As I always say, good luck to all of you. Whitemoney. You have been evicted. Please leave the Big Brother house.
Oh. Fuck. Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. That's a lie.
That's nice.
For me, it was amazing. So this is not a shock to me. I had a dream last week while I was out. I had a dream. Yeah, I actually dreamed of it last week. But I know I won't get to this now, but I wasn't worried. Like I said, I came, I saw, I conquered. I won the show, not the money.
Big Brother Naija.